Welcome to Deep Kiran Classes of Commerce and Expert Coaching with Guaranteed Success. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.
Now we are going to start with practical problem number 4, that is Mr. Deep and Karan were in partnership sharing profits and losses in the proportion of 3:1 respectively. Their balance sheet on 31st March 2018 was as under. Now balance sheet is given to you. See, sundry creditors 40,000, bills payable 10,000, bank overdraft 11,000, capital Deep 60,000, Karan 20,000, general reserve 8,000, asset side cash 40,000, sundry debtors 32,000, land and building 16,000, stock 20,000, plant and machinery 30,000, furniture 11,000. The total of balance sheet is 1,49,000. They admitted Shubham into partnership on 1st April 2018. The terms being that, now see, number 1, he should bring rupees 20,000 as his capital for 1/5 share in future profits and rupees 10,000 as his share of goodwill. Now number 2, a provision for doubtful debts is to be created at 5% on sundry debtors. Furniture to be depreciated by 20%, stock should be appreciated by 5% and building be appreciated by 20%. And in the 5th adjustment they have told capital accounts of all the partners be adjusted in their new profit sharing ratio through cash account. Now this adjustment I am going to explain you. Okay, first we will now do the working for this and then we will do one by one accounting. Okay, now see, working note. Let the total share of the firm be 1. Now the firm's total share be 1. 1 minus, now incoming partners future profit is how much? 1/5. So remaining is 4/5. Okay. Now Deep's new share, old profit sharing ratio was what? 3:1. So 3/4 into, now this remaining is how much? 4/5. So 4/5. If you multiply 3 4s are 12, 4 5s are 20. Now Karan's new share 1/4 is the old ratio into remaining is how much? 4/5. So is equal to 4/20. Now Shubham's share is 1/5. But since their denominators, Karan's and Deep's denominators are 20, so we are going to make his denominator also 20. So Shubham's share is equal to what is his share in future profit? 1/5. Now by what number can we multiply so that we get 20? That is 4 we can multiply. So denominator and numerator will keep same. So 4 5s are 20 and 4 1s are 4. So now new profit sharing ratio, Deep, Karan and Shubham, 12:4:4. Now if you divide it by 4, you'll get all the in a decreasing order. So 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So what is their new profit sharing ratio? 3:1:1 is their profit sharing ratio. For one ratio, if Shubham is going to bring 20,000, so Karan will also keep 20,000 and Deep is going to keep 60,000 in the new balance sheet. and whatever excess capital they have, they are going to withdraw, and that is going to be adjusted in the cash account. Have you understood the whole of this sum? Okay. Now, profit and loss adjustment account. This is increase and decrease in the value of assets and liabilities. Stock is to be appreciated by 5%. Okay. So, what is the value of stock in the given balance sheet? 20,000. So 20,000, 5% comes to 1,000. Then land and building be appreciated by 20%, they have said. So land and building given is 16,000. So 16,000, 20%, 3,200. There is a provision at the rate of 5% on debtors, that comes to 1,600. Furniture, there is depreciation at the rate of 20%. So that is 11,000 furniture is there, on that 20%, 2,200. Now see, credit side is heavier, 4,200, whereas this comes to 3,800. So 400 is the profit on revaluation. Okay. It is the profit on revaluation that is to be distributed in their old profit sharing ratio. So Deep's capital 300, Karan's capital 100. Now we are going to transfer it to the capital accounts. I'll be preparing the capital accounts here itself so that you can understand it well. Now I'm going to show you the capital balances, goodwill account, cash account, and the new balance sheet. We have just now prepared profit and loss adjustment account. In that, profit had come to rupees 400, which we divided in the old profit sharing ratio, that is 300 and 100. Now see, capital accounts. I've written particulars Deep, Karan, Shubham. Particulars Deep, Karan, Shubham. By balance brought down. According to old balance sheet, what were their balances? 60,000, 20,000. Okay. By cash, 20,000. This Shubham has brought for 1/5 share in the future profits. Now he has brought rupees 10,000 as his share of goodwill, which is distributed in their profit, old profit sharing ratio, that comes to 7,500 and 2,500. Revaluation profit. See, 300 and 100, just now I told you. And there was general reserve in the old balance sheet, which was given to us before adjustments done. That general reserve was 8,000. So again we have divided this into their old profit sharing, that has come to 6,000 and 2,000. Now cash account, see, goodwill account. When goodwill has come, their partners had been credited. Now goodwill account debit to the partners account. This is corresponding entry. Okay. Goodwill, see, on the credit side it is. So if I prepare goodwill account, then on the debit side, Deep's capital account 7,500, Karan's capital account 2,500. This is the cash. Okay. Goodwill bought in by cash 10,000. So this account is closed. Now cash account, see, balance as per old balance sheet 40,000. Shubham has brought rupees 20,000. Goodwill amount rupees 10,000. Now, see, listen very carefully. Now these are the balances. But what we have to do, we have to keep balances in their new profit sharing ratio. Okay, that is 60,000. This capital we have to keep. So 60,000, 20,000 and 20,000 should be their capital Now see, this capital is more and this is less, which is to be kept. So the remaining cash is withdrawn by the partners. So to cash 13,800, 4,600. See this, the remaining cash withdrawn here in the partner's account I have written to cash. This is withdrawn by partner. Here we have completed the capital accounts of partners. Now this withdrawn cash will be written on the cash account credit side by Deep's capital 13,800, by Karan's capital 4,600. Now see, the debit side total is 70,000 minus 13,800 minus 4,600. The remaining is 51,600. Okay, this balance we have taken here, cash account 51,600. Is it clear to you? Now see, sundry debtors. Sundry debtors 32,000 less RDD at the rate of 5%. Okay. So it comes to 1,600 and outer column 30,400. Land and building 16,000. Add appreciation by 20%. 20% appreciation means 3,200. So additions to this will be 19,200. Stock 20,000, add appreciation by 5%, that comes to 1,000, outer column 21,000. Plant and machinery, there is no adjustment. So as it is, we have written 30,000. Furniture 11,000, but there is depreciation at the rate of 20%. So we have written it in the inner column. So 20% comes to 2,200. So outer column 8,800. If you total up this, now this will be the asset side. Now creditors, see, creditors are 40,000, bills payable are 10,000, bank overdraft is 11,000, capital account, see, the balances 60,000, 20,000 and 20,000. We have taken it over here. So it comes to 1 lakh. So the total of liabilities comes to 1,61,000. On the asset side also the total comes to 1,61,000. I hope this working you have understood, because we had to keep the balances as per the new ratio. So we have taken out 20,000, 20,000 and 60,000 it comes to. Now there is a more capital than the required. So he is withdrawing 13,800, Deep is withdrawing, and also Karan 4,600 he is withdrawing. So the balances will be 60,000, 20,000 and 20,000. I hope this you have understood it well.